everybody, this is Smooth One Productions. I got the portable battery charger adapter. I got it from Amazon, and this is the instruction manual, and this is the piece here where you plug it into your USB battery charger. Has dual, one's to the left, one's to the right, and then you connect it to your camera right there through the battery port, and we're gonna cut the camera on, and look at that there, and we're gonna take a video. Look, it's going off of the portable charger. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to stop the video. We're going to... Wait a minute. Okay, now we're going to play back the video. And everything is working off the portable battery charger. Here's the cable. Here's the dummy battery. That's in my camera. And I'm ready to roll. Smooth One Productions, that's what I'm talking about. Okay? And I was shown it was delivered to me. I'm out.